Oh, wait. Oh, it's smell good. Plant-based. Let me see. Ooh, pH balance, no mess or waste. Ooh, and there's cherry. Eucalyptus. What else? A bubble gum. Which one do you want to smell? Take a smell. Maybe we should open them.
This bubble gum.
Yeah, that one's eucalyptus. That one's probably better for like maybe if you're sick or you have a cold. But smell this one. What does it smell like? Numb?
No.
Oh yeah. All right, hold on. Don't eat it or anything. All right, let's see. Let's see. Do you like that one or this one's pretty numb too? Smell that one. How's that one? Which one do you like better? This one? Some bubble gum? Good choice. Hey, go ahead and throw it in, buddy. Thanks, buddy. Thank you. Do it again. What does it smell like?
Everything.
Smells good?
Yeah.
Don't do it. So Bubble Podz is pretty awesome. I was totally down to work together because the Bubble Podz, first of all, it's a pod, so you put it right in, no mess or excessive waste. No chemical, truly natural, super bubbly, gentle bubble bath, body and hair wash, so they're getting clean in there. And it pampers children with sensitive skin and scalp. And I know all the ingredients that are in here, and there's literally 3 ingredients. Cane sugar, LSA, which is pretty much like what forms bubbles, and then cornstarch and whatever fragrance. So it's derived from coconut and palm oils. Yes, yes, yes. I love it. 10 out of 10.